AI for UX design is a game changer in the world of technology. It has revolutionized the way designers create user interfaces, making the process more efficient and effective. By using artificial intelligence, designers can analyze user behavior, preferences, and patterns to create interfaces that are intuitive and user-friendly. AI can also help designers identify potential issues or areas for improvement in a design, allowing them to make adjustments before the interface is finalized. One of the key benefits of using AI for UX design is its ability to automate repetitive tasks. Designers can use AI-powered tools to generate design mock-ups, test different layouts, and gather feedback from users. This not only saves time and effort, but also ensures that the final product meets the needs and expectations of the target audience. Another advantage of AI in UX design is its ability to personalize user experiences. By analyzing data on user behavior and preferences, AI can tailor interfaces to individual users, providing them with a more personalized and engaging experience. This can lead to higher user satisfaction and increased engagement with the product. AI can also help designers make data-driven decisions. By analyzing large amounts of data, AI can identify trends and patterns that may not be immediately apparent to human designers. This can help designers make more informed decisions about the design of an interface, leading to better outcomes for users. Overall, AI for UX design has the potential to transform the way designers create interfaces. By automating repetitive tasks, personalizing user experiences, and making data-driven decisions, AI can help designers create interfaces that are more intuitive, user-friendly, and engaging. As AI technology continues to advance, the possibilities for using AI in UX design are endless, and the impact on the field of design is sure to be profound.